Welcome to another episode of My Backyard. Today, we're going salmon fishing in the Pacific Ocean, just outside the mouth of the Columbia River. I got a good feeling about this. Once again, our starting point is the calm and tranquil waters of the Chinook, Washington Marina. The weather is perfect. We've got the Columbia River bar to contend with, a full tank of gas, half pack of cigarettes, it's dark out, and we're wearing sunglasses. Hit it, Les.
So here we are, day 2 of the Brentonizer and his crew. We're headed back out to find some cohos, and maybe we might even go deep water lingcod or halibut fishing. Let's try Chinook with downriggers if I can find out where they're located. And maybe even a little lingcod when the day goes on. So here we are, day 2. Stay tuned for more action. See you soon.
We have a lengthy wish list, but a large ebb tide is coming and we want to be across before the bar builds. We are on site and ready to rock.
Yeah, that's North Head Lighthouse there. And you're looking right at Beards Hollow, just to the north of it. This morning, a couple guide boats in there on the beach starting out. So we're going to start here and looks like 43 feet of water. We're going to start heading west. So I've had a track every day and it's been good. So we're just going to follow the normal and see if the critters are in here. But when you look at the screen, Brent, you'll see the amount of archers. So there's a ton of fish in there. In fact, there's a lot of fish right on the bottom this morning. So
see if we can't coax them up.
yeah, see if we can coax them up. We'll see what happens. Every day's different.
Brad, you in?
We are in the water and fishing.
That was also Brad's audition tape for America's Got Talent. You'd be surprised to learn he didn't make it. Phil is finishing the last rig when... Fish on. We're trolling for salmon and can keep any Chinook or hatchery coho.
You want this one? Hatchery, good to go. Phil, with the first fish in the boat. Nicely done, boys. You want it? Okay.
Next up, the skipper with one on.
I'll steer it, Les. Keep it on your side. Roger.
Let me get the nose up on him here.
Okay, let's see if I can get his nose out of the prop.
With only a 4-man crew, I can't film with 2 rods in action. And wouldn't you know it?
Fish, mine. Damn it, we got a double. There's Brent's fish.
Ah, one got away.
Meanwhile, Brent is retying.
I'm all yucked up.
I retie a broken leader. Brad ponders, when's my fish gonna get here?
Pretty good morning so far. 3 in the bag. 2 nice ones that we brought to the boat, but we're natives and we're in a selective fishery, so anything without a clip fin has to go back in the water. But looking good, water's good, fish are biting. All 4 rods have hooked up, right, Brad? Yeah. So that's a really good sign. So we're gonna try to troll in a little closer to shore, see if we can get some of the big boys up off the bottom.
Early morning.
We're joined by friends this morning.
And there's Dave right there.
I don't know if Phil's wife's going to be impressed with that one. Tell me what you think in the comments.
I'll get you, Les.
The skipper has a fish on. Phil clears the other starboard rod as Brad mans the net. Unfortunately, it was a native silver and was released. And then...
You're hooked up. Brad, you're on. Got it.
a double! The fishing has slowed a little bit, but the weather is beautiful. We've got plenty of time.
If he's already in, I'm going to come over on this side.
Brad with a nice fish on.
Get the net ski.
Yeah. Oh, that might be a real fish.
In the net. Keeper.
Keeper. Turn me.
I'm turning. Yes, here it is. The skipper gets the hog.
Almost got that big a fish. I had a pretty light drag this and get them.
He had a pretty good run. Aha! I got her hard right. We gonna need this bigger net up front? Phil, this net here. We got a little bit of time, but
Les has by far the largest fish of the day. Now we got to get him in the boat.
turning to the right. Are we listening to New Kids on the Block? People are going to tease me on the YouTube channel for this. Turning right. The one we've been looking for. You can keep the fish on the side. You want the fish to lay over, right?
God damn it! Let me forward to you.
Got him. Ha-ha! Nice fish, Les.
Right.
Brad helps Les set up for a little show and tell.
Well, Brad, we
got called in here by my friend Gordy Webster from Black Dog Charters. Basically said there's a Chinook bite in here. So we came in, he said it's pink, and I think what the fish are feeding on is crab larvae. It has a lavender when we look at it with our eye. But anyway, that's a nice Chinookie that we just put up when we came in and put a rotary flasher down with a pink squid on it. And this is what we got. So anyway, good day of fishing. What do we have? Six fish from 5 nice cohos and then this one Chinook. So we're having a good day here. Anyway,
Yes, we are.
Gonna let her go. Next time, more to it. While we're looking at here, Brent, you see on the screen on the right is the depth finder, and I believe you can see the arches of the fish. They're just above the bait. You see the arches of the fish in the bait, but I believe that's the way it's laying there. I think it's that crab larva, the krill. It has a lavender color, as I said. So that's what I think we're doing, and that's why they're partial to the pink here.
Brad with another one on. What the heck is going on?
It's almost here, Phil. Just put it in the corner. Put it in the corner, Phil.
Hot stomach grass? I don't know.
In the net.
Oh. Keeper. Well, so we're done.
We were gonna try some deep water ling fishing, but the bar report gave us the opportunity to cross early, so we went back to camp. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on our next adventure.